Hello my friends, this is Sergi. We bring another poplar log. This is pretty interesting. It has a big curve right here. I hope we're gonna manage to cut some nice slabs. Let's take a look at it. Big curve right here. It's approximately 6-foot log. It's pretty big. And here's the diameter of the log. It's a 19-inch diameter. So hope we're gonna get nice 19-inch slabs. Alright guys, take a look what happening right here. We have someone home, we just mill it. Just cut it and destroy some home. Бегает. Ха! Take a look what is going on. This is like a huge ant hole inside that tree. Look at that. There is so many of those. Huge ants. Black ones. I don't know what kind is that, but this is pretty interesting. This Log has some problems, lots of holes. It's not that quality one. Yep, lots of ends coming out right now from the inside. Yeah, look at this hole. Interesting. Do they gonna have more inside when we're gonna continue milling? Okay, let's mill. The log by itself pretty nice right here, but not in this spot. Alright, we just finished milling. This is the last slab we made it from this log. Yeah, oh, woo. And that's how it looks like. Yep, beautiful. I like it. Look at that. Alright, my friends, we just finished milling this log, and this is how it's turned out. I think it's come out pretty nice. Comment what you think. It's get darker, but I think we still managed to cut one log today. All right, see you my friends at the next video. Bye.